Field and Burndon in the morning. Making some art.
Whoa, is that what we're doing today?
So today we're going to learn to
stuff.
draw a cow.
Okay.
So you're going to take out your canvas or your paper. You're going to tape it. Exactly.
Okay.
You're going to tape it onto a piece of cardboard acting as your easel.
Okay.
And we're going to draw a cow. So choose your favorite color. Choose your favorite medium. This field's doing paint. I'm doing some colored pencils. And I'm feeling a turquoise cow. So you're going to start off with the cow's head. Cows have some big noses, so you're going to make sure you give them a big nose. And make sure you close off that head. I'm going to actually switch to a darker color so we can see a little better. And next, you're going to draw their nostrils. They have big noses, so make sure you give them some nice big nostrils. Give them ears. Maybe you want to give them some fluff on their ears because cows have fur. All right, and we need to give them an eye. So you want to give them an eye. The bigger the eye, the more cute they'll appear. So maybe give them some nice big eyes. Maybe give them a little mouth. And I didn't leave a lot of space for my body, but you're gonna draw a little body there too. Maybe you're gonna give them a bell so you can hear them coming. All right, so there you have learned how to draw a cow.
That's so cool. I didn't know I could make a cow, Miss Burndon.
Yeah, let's
want to see mine?
Yeah, totally.
Okay. Here's my cow.
Ooh. I'm a great teacher.
Field and Burndon in the morning. Thanks, Miss Burndon.
You're welcome, Miss Field, anytime.